Welcome and subscribe for alerts on the go. Road closure due to pipeline repairs in New Delhi. The ring road from Maharani Bagh to Ashram will remain closed for traffic till the 20th of June due to ongoing emergency pipeline repairs by Delhi Jal Board. Traffic going towards Ashram from DND flyover will be able to proceed further using Barapula elevated corridor or Ashram flyover. Avoid going towards Ashram from Noida using DND. Start early for planned commutes. Follow us because lives and time both matter.